Hey Huns! Welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are having a blessed 2023 so far, and it is time for me to run some errands, so I'm just pulling up some music right now. All right, let me go ahead and connect my phone, and then all right, hold on. Setup.
Please push the talk switch and say security, phone setup, or Bluetooth audio setup.
Bluetooth audio setup. I did all of that and it's not connected. No, that is too funny. It's funny, but it's also not funny. This is annoying and I have to go. Are you kidding me? It's hot. Okay. Anyway, now we can go. That was too much. Oh my gosh, I hate when my phone disconnects. I don't even know who did that. I don't know if it was one of my nieces, girl. I don't know. Anyway, all right, let's head out, y'all. I got my seatbelt on, everything on. Let's go. Have y'all seen Ginny in Georgia? Love it. Actually, I already finished it, so. All right. Ooh, the sun is out, honey. All right, guys, I gotta order my food. I'm getting close, so I'm gonna have some bancani. They should still have their little lunch special or whatever. I think I'm gonna order it now and then just pick that up and then do like my groceries and stuff on the way back, because I'd rather just go all the way and then yeah. Wait, why is it not connected? Did I take the Bluetooth off? That's so strange. Hi, yes, can I place the order for pickup?
All right. Yes, what can I say?
Yeah, can I have the first one is gonna be the 8 wings, spicy. Yeah, spicy.
All right. And side?
I'll just have the French fries with that.
All right. Anything else?
Yes, I'm gonna get a second one. This one is gonna be the half and half soy spicy.
Any sweet, half soy, half spicy?
Yes.
And how about the side?
The same fries. French fries is fine.
French fries, okay.
Yep.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
I'll send it right in 50 minutes.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye. So I don't know what is going on with my connection. Y'all literally just saw me connected to the audio, but for some reason the music is playing, but the overhead, girl, I don't know. Lexi, what they do to you, girl? Tell me. You could tell me, girl. What did them little girls do to you? My nieces were driving my car when they were here, and now I feel like the settings are off. Like, let me put my glasses on because I can't really see like that, y'all. These are like my little Chanel, like my first, I guess, high-end pair of glasses I got myself when I was working in corporate. But I wish I would have got like a bigger pair of frames. I guess they were cute for back then, but now, you know, it's all about the big frame, and I like cat eye. So anyway, enough about my frames. But yes, I don't know what's up with Lexi. That's my car, by the way, in case you guys are like, who the heck, who is Lexi? I don't know what these little girls done did to my cure. Lexi is acting a little strange. All right, I'm about to get over. I can't do. It's too much. What is it? Y'all just going so slow, my friends. Gee, I wish this banchan so Thai tea, but since I did order it, I have been trying to practice. Like, I've been trying to get the mix right. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I had posted, I ordered the true chai mix, so I've been practicing with that. But I wanted to like get a Thai tea from the restaurant so I can take it home and try to figure out what I'm not doing right, because, well, I'm not really following the recipe. That's that might be what I'm not doing right, because you're supposed to use condensed milk And then you're also supposed to use what is that thing called? You're supposed to use the condensed thick sweetened milk, and then you're also supposed to use the carnation milk. So I have carnation at home, but I don't have the condensed sweetened milk. So I think I'm gonna pick some up at the store today, but I really wanted to like grab a chai tea while I was out and kind of take it home and compare it. That's the only reason I'm telling y'all all this, because this particular Bonchon does not have Thai tea. And I don't know if there's any local bubble. There's actually one being built right next to it. Long story short, I'm gonna get this Thai tea recipe right, y'all, I promise you. Anyway, let me go ahead and pick up my food, because I really am just rambling, and I'm like right here. It's like the next light. So Bonchon, let's below this joint. Say nah, let's get to the next location.
20 minutes later.
Look at where I ended up. Y'all saw that? They had the nerve to have a Krispy Kreme. I have been craving sweets, and I don't know, I just figured let me go ahead and just get it and get it over with. So yeah, I've been trying not to do too much sweet, because I did start back working out and stuff, so I am trying to be disciplined on my diet, but I had to, guys. I just had to go in and grab some. I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and get it over with, because I actually have been craving Krispy Kreme for the past like 2 or 3 months. I think since the holidays, and I just never went and got it. Oh yeah, see, this is the bubble place. You guys can't see it. Let me try to find the name. It's just called, there is no name. I should ask this lady. What was I telling y'all? I don't even know. Let me get off of here. I feel like I'm just rambling at this point.
You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die.
Hey guys, so I'm back. Whew, it's been a day. I feel like I took way too long in the grocery store. I kept going back and forth, and I hate that. If you know me, you know I have a system when I go in the grocery store. I like to get in and do one round, girl. I get in and I get out. I hate when I have to do loops. I looped around the same little area 3-4 times. So annoying. But anyway, I'm done with the groceries, as you guys saw. I put them in a car, and now I have one more stop to make. You guys guessed it, CVS. I feel like I'm always in CVS. Either CVS or Target. I stay in one or the other. It's getting dark now, as you probably can tell. I definitely need my glasses. I cannot see nothing. Overall, today was productive. I'm really happy that I got out the house for a little bit, because it's been a while. I've been trying to stay out of the cold, so I don't really go out much in the winter, but because I do want to continue to vlog and show you guys what I'm doing, I did decide to go ahead and just take you guys along today. I know the footage is probably a little I don't know if it's all over the place, but probably just kind of in and out, or you know, not scarce is what I'm trying to say. Like, it's not a lot of footage, basically. I didn't like take my camera to go in a lot of stores. Hopefully you guys don't mind. Yeah, that's just my personality, you guys. Honestly, like, yeah. Anyway, let me get back to my jams, and I will talk to you Huns later. Drop my clothes in the washing machine, and then I ran out to the gym, and now I'm back. Sorry if you hear me breathing hard. I'm just tired. Like, I worked out Saturday as well because I couldn't do my normal schedule last week. Right now I'm getting ready to shower, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my gym clothes off and hop in the shower, and then I may check in with you guys a little bit later, like once I start folding the clothes, because that's probably, well, that is the last step. So anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower and I will check in with you guys a little later, either today or I'll see you guys another time. After I got out the shower, this is my post-workout meal, and so I did want to go ahead and just close out the vlog here. I hope you Huns enjoy this weekly vlog, and until the next time, you know what to do. Stay blessed.